Are you having trouble where your CapCut app isn't working or it's crashing for some reason? These 4 solutions will fix your problem, so make sure you follow me until the end of this video. Firstly, you'll want to check if you have a fast or stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is slow or it's not working, then that may be the reason for your problem. So if you're currently on Wi-Fi, then turn it off and enable your mobile data connection, and vice versa. Just ensure that the internet connection is fast and stable, and after that, restart the CapCut application. Fix number 2 is to offload our app because it may be loaded with some broken files or other data which may cause this issue. In order to do this, I'll open the Settings app on my iPhone or Android phone. If you're on Android, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might say Apps and Notifications. From the list of apps, find CapCut and tap on it. Next, tap on Storage. Now you'll see 2 buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Data. After that, go back and open CapCut again to see if it works properly now. But on iPhone, you'll want to find this General option and tap on it. The next step is to find this iPhone Storage, and then open it. You'll then see a list of all the different apps which you have installed on your iPhone. But since CapCut is not working as it should, we're going to locate the app on the list and then open it. This page is going to look something like this, and you'll simply want to tap on this Offload app option and then Offload. Offloading the CapCut app on your iPhone means removing the app itself, but keeping all your saved projects and data. It's a way to free up space and refresh the app without deleting your work. This can help fix problems like CapCut not opening, crashing, or getting stuck on the loading screen. After offloading, you can reinstall the app and continue editing right where you left off. Fix number 3 is related to the problem where the CapCut app opens without a problem, but you're having issues with editing or similar things inside of the app. What you'll want to do then is to open the app. Then navigate over to this Me section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then find the Settings icon at the top right, and our job is to clear the cache files from the CapCut app. Here is the Clear Cache option as you can see right here. So I'll simply tap on this and then restart the CapCut app. This was solution number 3. The last fix which I have for you is to update your phone software, because the CapCut app might not work properly if you have an outdated software version on your iPhone or your Android phone. So I'm now going to hop over to the Settings page one more time, then find the General section. After this, I'm going to click on the Software Update option right here. If you have any pending software updates, then it's a good idea to update your phone to the latest software version, and then this should fix the issue which you have with CapCut. Tell me in the comments down below if this video fixed your issue which you had, and also tell me if you have any other fix for this issue. Describe your solution in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to pin that comment at the top.